My favorite pizza is made out of air because it's not part of my diet. Our goals for modeling would be to do some sort of big jean or fitness campaign. I'd also love to do a campaign for some really high-end car company internationally. I'd love to be able to shoot at least 3 fitness covers this year. And finally, I would just love to be able to live in the moment more because I'm just so ambitious. Question. The most overused thing is guys sending girls pictures of their body parts on text messaging. If you were to ask me, I think I would say that my best physical feature is my abs. But I think if you were to ask most guys, they would tell you that my best feature is my booty.